So it looks like our storage balcony has a bird's nest possibly on it. Just moving some stuff around right now, trying to clean up, and this is what we discovered. Let's go see. Hopefully we don't scare her away. Just wondering if there's eggs or nest or baby. I don't really want to bother her and start cleaning. Sorry, baby. Just wondering what you got up there, girl. Maybe I can get on this chair. Let's see what I can see better. Oh, she does have eggs. Look at that, she's got eggs. She's definitely got some babies. So I don't want to get too close. I don't want to touch them. I don't want to put my smell on them because she might reject them. So pretty cool. I'll just leave her be and get to this mess later. Have a great day, guys.